a great choice today with the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.